Hello everyone, my name is Sabrina and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a couple of things. So my ongoing tutorial for the 3D reversible puff shell blanket is here. I am still working on it, but I don't think I have much more to do, maybe another 10 inches. And in a couple of days time, I will make a tutorial for a border. But so far, I really love it. This is how it looks. I just really love how the stitches work. And on the other side, it's the same. The same. I just really love it. So I just use regular DK with a 4.5mm hook. And the puff shells are coming out so nicely. And now I want to show you something that's very, very close to my heart. So I am going to pause for a moment and I will be right back because my guinea pig is wanting some attention. Quite a few months ago, I designed a blanket and I absolutely love how it works, the actual body of the blanket and the border. I just think it is really, really stunning. I'm bound to say that because it's my design, right? But I designed it in view of writing a pattern and selling it in my Ravelry store. And I'm still not too sure if I'm still going to do that. Write a pattern and sell it in my Ravelry store. But I will be doing a tutorial. So possibly once again a two-part tutorial. Part one will be the body of the blanket and part two will be the border. So I'm going to show you, I have made it twice, one in a solid color and one with my phone is going off, of course, because I'm on camera, right? All right, so the second blanket I made was multicolored, and I think it worked out really nice. And in fact, even my son was impressed. So that says it all, I think. So without further ado, I'm going to show you the blankets. Really not sure what I will call it. It is 3D, but this time it is not reversible, but completely 3D, and I'm just completely in love with it, and I hope you guys will love it just as much as I do. I'm very proud of this design, and I am extremely happy. So let's take a look at it, shall we? So the blanket is here. There we are. This is it. So I will show it to you up close. And now the border. I think it is really nice. Here we are. With all them lovely, I don't know what you would call that. Like waves or shells or I don't know. But I think it works really well all the way. Here's the corner. and it goes up all the way to the next corner, and it's like that all around, like so. So this is in one solid color, and the other blanket I have made it multicolored. I hope you will like it as much as the other one. I really had a lot of fun making this. There we are. And the corner of the blanket, of course, we need to see that because this is really nice. Just like that. I just really like it. I'm very proud of it, and I'm so happy to share this with you guys. I must admit though, this is a bit of a yarn eater because of all these bubbles. But it is so worth it. It's so textured and so squishy, soft. I just really, really love it. So hopefully you will like it as much as I do, and join me for this in January for the tutorials. So please feel free to leave me any comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of this blanket. Would you like to join me on this adventure of 2 wonderful tutorials? And what do you think I should call it? Would you be keen to make this blanket yourselves? Please leave me all your questions, comments, suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and until the next time, happy knitting and crochet everyone!